Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you an absolutely delicious and easy little recipe for spanakopitάκια. Spanakopitάκια, or spanakopita triangles, are those spinach and feta little triangles that you see in a lot of places, appetizers, meze, snacks, potlucks. You can do just about anything with these. You could also freeze them and save them for a rainy day, whatever you like. It's very, very easy. It's a lot of fun to make. And I think the most complicated thing about this recipe is the actual folding of the filo. So let's get right to it. First things first, preheat our oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 160-65 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. Next thing is our filling. For this, very simple. We're gonna get our bowl. We're gonna get about a cup and a half of spinach. In this case, I'm using frozen spinach. Let's face it, you're not gonna get this spinach to buy it in a quantity of fresh. You probably need like a shopping bag full. So I use the frozen stuff, which is perfect. Next thing is a little bit of feta. I'm using for this recipe about, 80 grams of feta, give or take. You want just a little bit of cheesiness or that brininess. Just makes it taste so good. So that's gonna go in there as well. You know what? Screw it, I'm gonna put the whole thing. It's gonna be closer to about 100 grams of feta. So 1.5 cups of spinach, 1 cup of feta cheese. Boom, that goes in there. The next thing to go into this is a small bunch of dill. And you're just gonna chop it up fairly finely. So that will go in there as well. And we're gonna need 1 egg. Now for this, I prefer to beat up my eggs beforehand. So I'm just gonna take this, put it in a little bowl, boom, break the egg, just like that. Grab a little fork, and then real quick, you don't have to exactly scramble it, you just have to kind of put it in like a little binder type of thing. Perfect, just like that. A little bit of pepper. I'm not putting any salt in this, only because there's enough salt in the feta that I don't want to go overboard with it, but it's up to you. In all my recipes, typically, salt is per taste. Perfect. So this is it. And all you're going to do here with this is just stir this around, mix it up. That's it. Nothing complicated, nothing too crazy. And this, my friends, is the recipe for the filling of my spanakopita. Now we're just going to take this and leave this off to the side, move this here. Now, in my case, I'm using some leftover filo that I have from the other day. I just made sure that it didn't dry up on me too much, and also the fact that I kept it in the fridge. Now, carefully, see this piece that dried out? We're not going to use. Let's just get that out of here. And here we have our filo sheets. Well, don't worry about this part here. What the hell? What I'm going to do is cut these filo sheets in about 3-inch wide strips, give or take. And the easiest thing for me, or the easiest way for me, is a pizza cutter. Boom, just like that. You have our filo sheets, done. Perfect strips. So let's just take these and we'll move these over here. So what we're gonna do to build our spanakopitas is we're gonna take one sheet, just like that, I'm using a little scoop, ice cream scoop, and all I'm gonna do before I do this, let me grab my brush, my basting brush here. Oh, here it is. Perfect. In my savory recipes, I use olive oil. In my sweets and pastries, I use butter. So what you're going to do is evenly, just quickly brush your phyllo with olive oil. Doesn't have to be a thick coat or anything like that, just very lightly, just like that. Next, we're gonna take a scoop of our filling, of our spanakopita filling, and this is what you're going to do. You're gonna take this and turn it over the corner so it starts forming a little triangle. See what I'm doing here? Then you fold this over like this, and then over like this, over like this. See where I'm going with this? Like this, and boom. Here we have one spanakopita done, ready to go. Drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil and just place it on your pan. That's it. I'm going to do the rest now, and as soon as I'm done these, we'll take it from there. So now I'm really upping my game. I'm actually going to do them now 3-3. You could, if you want to, just pile them up or line them up just like this and start a filling. Right, and now I'm down to my last one here. Nice and easy. Even if it tears on you at the beginning, it really doesn't matter because you'll save it as we fold. So continue just folding that. And now our last fold here. And boom, we put them there. Just dab them with a little bit of our Greek extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna pop these in for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they get golden brown and crispy and they smell like $1,000,000. All right, right out of the oven. I just, unbelievable. These are perfect. Golden brown. You hear that? That's the sound of crispy, baby. So these are done. It took about 25 minutes. I prefer them more golden brown than a lighter brown, but that's just me. Really, really hot. I'm still gonna try one. I can't resist. These are like fantastic. Where am I going here? Look at this, I'm so excited, I don't know which way to go. These are perfect. Even at this point right now, completely cooked. You can freeze them, throw them in a freezer. You know what? A minute, minute and a half in the microwave or even in the oven for maybe 15, 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and you've got a beautiful snack. Or what the hell, you can go buy them at like the big box stores frozen, and who knows what the hell's in there. You know what? These are much, much better. And look at this. With the parchment paper, they literally just fall off. Now this is really, really hot. Might as well grab a little plate here, throw this on, because look at this. Look at the phyllo. It just literally crumbles, absolutely just crumbles. Here goes. Watch Ken scream like a girl now from the heat. These are so friggin' delicious. Unbelievable. Okay, they're hot as hell, but they're so good. They are really, really good, my friends. Inside, the egg is binded everything, and the feta adds that salty brininess. Absolutely perfect. That little bit of tang there. My friends, these are a must make. Very easy. The hardest thing is actually folding them up. Everything else is like nothing, believe me. You could even make these floretta style, or like little flutes or little tubes. They work as well, but try these. And that's it for this episode on my Spanakopitάκια or mini Spanakopitas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna enjoy eating these. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell as well. And also, through this process, I am actually launching my own website called kensgreektable.com, all one word. There I will be, over the coming weeks and probably months, uploading my recipes so you can kind of download or print them and keep them for yourselves. And please check it out and let me know what you think. So until next time, I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I'm Ken. Bye for now.